Good day, traders. This is the aftermarket update for the live trading alert room. Today is Monday, October 13th, and I'm going to let you know what we did today. Today we had another volatile day in the marketplace. We had 3 winners, 1 loser. Most people did not take the last trade was a loser, and most people did not take it because they were gone already. For those that did, it was a loser. First trade we had what we call an understanding trade. Understanding trade. Price was 1902. The time was 8:39 Central Standard Time, and we took that one up. That one went up for about 4 points. 4 points. Realistically, about 3 points to the target that mostly everybody got, and that was a nice little first trade. Any runners would have been taken out at entry when the market came back down here. However, again, the market went 4 points before that. Market came back down, and we had an RS trade. Right here on this green candle, 906. Price was 1898. However, most people didn't get filled at 1898. I said this is probably going to go fast. You have to just get short right after this green candle here, and it was probably 2 or 3 ticks lower before anybody would have realistically gotten filled, except for those that had it ready. And in any event, it was a winner from whatever price. As you can see, it never came back after that point, and it came down 1890.50. 1890 quarter was our first target, and then our second target was down at 85.75. 85.75. So that one went for realistically, even if I take the worst price of 97 quarter, that one went at least 10 points. For those who had enough contracts they could stay in, most people probably got out at the 6 to 7 point range in here if they ran out of bullets. Now, for those who did get out, once the market came down here, I said that the door was open for our next level down, and we tried another short here right after the 936 candle, 1890.50. 1890.50, 1890 quarter right here. Took it down short, and that one went down for another 6 points. That was another beautiful trade. When the market came back up, got back above our 90 quarter level, I said if you want to take a long after this red candle at 10 o'clock, we got long 1891.50. 1891.50 here, and that one went up to about 1897, so that was about another 5-6 points there, and those were our 3 winners. The losing trade came. It was right when the room was going to close. I told everybody, you got to go small. If you don't want to take it, you don't even have to take the trade because the room was closing. A couple people were asking about trades, so we had what was called an understanding trade. I said that this was not a core setup, and because the room was closing, I said be careful. I told everybody to get into the trade as low as 5 quarter. Okay, as low as 5 quarter. And as high as 675. Now, realistically, those who got in at 675, it did go a point. It went really fast. So if you didn't get filled at 675 or it's at 775, it came straight back down, and it would have been a stop out. Anybody who got filled any lower than that would have made a point, and then it would have been a break-even trade. So best case scenario, if you just were a one-lot trader, you got a point. Most people who were trading, who take half off and then have runners, would have had a total break-even on the trade. And if you got a bad price, it probably would have been a stop out. But again, this room was closing up. It was like the last candle of the morning, and most people weren't even going to be involved because the trade could have taken a long time. And I told everybody, if you can't sit in this, we're going to be closing the room. But nonetheless, it was a called trade. So 1, 2, 3 winners, 1 loser, and we're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow, guys. Until then, have a great day.